And good morning, good timers. We are here in Augusta, Maine this morning for the Day of Hope fundraiser. It's for cancer awareness for the Harold Alfond Center, which is located right here in Augusta, Maine. A lot of my doctors and nurses and caregivers will be here today. Obviously, my main caregiver, Simone's right here by my side. But we are in remission, thankfully. But a lot of people are not, and that is what today is all about, is about them. So we are going to be walking for them. Thank you to those of you that donated to me on Facebook for this walk today. And yeah, we're going to show you around a little bit, show you what the day is all about, and let's go.
Have you ever noticed how small words sometimes have big meanings? Love, joy, hope. Yet hope is a pretty big word, all things considered. To us, hope is a wish for something that may be beyond our control, a desire for a certain outcome, a prayer for ourselves or someone else. Hope encompasses a lot of meanings, but for us, especially at the staff at the Harold Alfond Center for Cancer Care, hope is essential. It's what keeps us going. It's what gives us all the will to get up tomorrow and try again. We know that hoping for something doesn't always mean it will be granted, but yet we carry on and believe that there will be one more day, one more new treatment, one more chance for a cure for this awful disease. Hope is eternal, and our hope for the patients and families we serve is that they never lose that hope.
All right, guys, and this is the Barrington Fairview nursing crew that took care of me for so long. And actually, they're still taking care of me a lot too, but now it's just more my mental state than physical, so there we go. We're going to be walking with them today.
Is in a stream. The ocean called for you and me. Still, I'm in this game, but without my closest friend. It's leaving now. I waited here, but nothing came. So I close my eyes, 'cause you reflect in everything. It's shining through. The light in you, it shines so true. The light
right, guys. So the sun has finally come out, just in time for the festivities to wrap up. But anyway, it was a great time anyway. We ended up having a little bit of lunch after the walk, which I didn't film, but there was a nice little buffet set up there, and they did some cooking classes as well. Also got a little hand and foot massage, which was real nice. So lots of fun things to do here and see while supporting a good cause. So appreciate you guys joining us. Anything else to add, Simone?
Not that I can think of. I think you've said everything.
A woman of a few words.
Yes, that's right.
All right. Till next time, guys.
Have a good time.
Have a good time.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you. Blue is the sky, like the color of your eyes. Blue is your heart. It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the